Good morning, everyone. Hello to day 14. You know, I was like a day off yesterday. Today is 14. Today is day 14 this way, and it is the last day of the North Cape trip. Yes. Ooh. It is crazy. It's the last day already. So yeah, like we're going to Trelleborg right now, like 539 kilometers, and then we take the ferry at 3 p.m. arrive in Rostock at 9 p.m. and then go for another 3-ish hours to our home. We decided the weather isn't good for the next few days. It looks good now, but it is not good. There's a storm coming later today. It's gonna be like super windy as well, more rain. So we said, okay, let's do this, let's go home, let's, F it, Unfortunately, or next week is going to be amazing weather-wise, but it is what it is. We will definitely do it again at some point, maybe in 2 years or something, and then go and check out Finland. But yeah, that's it for the North Cape trip. I will keep you posted for this last day. It's gonna be a boring day, that's for sure. All highway, ferry and more highway. So I will only fill you in with the important pieces here and there. Important, in hyphens. But yeah, that's it. I will already say, thank you very much for following the trip. I definitely learned a lot about how to ride and whatever, but also more importantly in how to do those motovlogs. And I have no idea, because when you see this video, I have edited those videos, but at the moment I have no idea how they will turn out and what I will do. And I saw some of the footage, but not all. So it's gonna be an interesting task ahead of, that's for sure. But yeah, I learned a lot in this regard. So as I said in one different vlog, for me it's important, mental health wise, to do this, to go out, to explore, to be to see something new. And on a motorcycle you can do it alone. So that is exactly what I want. So, and so far it feels very good. It feels, it has been a good year. And I know my content is not perfect, and I don't aim it to be like that. I'm happy with the results I make, and I don't want any likes or dislikes or comments or subs, whatever. I would appreciate it if you comment and share your opinion and so on. But it's not important for me. What's important for me is that I set out every weekend or once in a week, record something, edit this more or less, and then upload it to YouTube. And maybe this whole season or this whole thing will end after one season, I will see. But so far it's been really good for me, for myself. So yeah, that's important. Do what you like, do what's good for you, and yeah, that is important. So yeah, I just want to get this off my chest. However, this trip has been amazing. Big thank you. It sounds like I'm ending a video, but no, that's the start actually. Big thank you to everyone involved. Big thank you for everything. It has been, at least for me, a blast to do this to bring you along, to share, you know, the experiences, the struggles. You know, not everything is perfect, for sure not. We spend a lot of money. We spend up to 3,000 euros already just for like a 2-week trip with hotels and food. So yeah, take care of this, take care of yourself. You know, inflation is really high. I know weird topic for a motovlog, but everything got more expensive and you can feel it. So yeah, not the easiest times to do trips. Fuel is super expensive, so yeah, you need to enjoy it as long as you can. So yeah, just on this note, you know, take care of this, take care of yourself. But you know, I'm ending this now. I will probably update you once I'm in Trelleborg when we go on the ferry. It's going to be an interesting experience for me. Never done this. Like, I did the smaller ferry, but it was very straightforward, but not like 7-hour ferries. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, and then yeah, we'll see. So I'll bring you along until the next update. Talk to you soon. So, quick update. I am at the harbor in Trelleborg. It is very windy, so yeah, at the moment we're the only bike, you know, lane 124. It is very windy. Obviously it's the ocean or water or whatever. So yeah, now we're waiting until the ship arrives. So yeah, it's been a straightforward ride, 548 kilometers in 5 hours and 7 minutes. Fueled up several times, had something to eat. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Overall as well, as you can see, we're the only bike here, and some other cars obviously waiting. So I don't think we will be the only bike later. But yeah, that's it from Scandinavia. That's it from Sweden, and then we only have roughly 3 hours to go back. That's how the bike looks. I can't wait, you know, to get all the luggage off and get it clean. But yeah, that's it. Thank you very much so far. We'll update you on the other side, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye. Ciao. We arrived on the other side. As you can see, we are still on the ferry, and it's pretty tight. Lots of trucks and my motorcycle and my dad. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to get out of here. But that's it, 6 hours, and you know, we're gonna leave. So yeah, I will update you once I'm closer to my home. It's gonna be 3 hours of highway again, you know. So yeah, talk to you later. Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is the last update from the North Cape trip. I hope you can understand me. As usual, I'm on the highway, you know, and it's windy, so let's hope the microphone picks up everything. So yeah, the trip's ending. We are very close, like 20 minutes or something. So it's currently 11:33 PM, so yeah, it's been a long day, you know. but the North Cape trip is coming to an end, and I'm exhausted. You know, the way up was very long, many kilometers, and the way down was very straightforward, nothing spectacular. Unfortunately, every day had rain in it. So yeah, it wasn't the best of the experience for everyone, but nevertheless we enjoyed it, we had a good time, that's what matters. Yeah, I just want to thank everyone for watching, you know. It's been an amazing journey for me. As I said in a different video, I learned a lot, and I will keep on doing my thing, I think. But anyway, let's end it here. Thank you very much, everyone. More videos will come for sure. You know, the objective is to release one video every single week for 1 year. So I don't know what will happen after that, but we'll see. You know, the year's not over, and yeah, thank you everyone. I don't want to drag this on, I don't want to make this any longer. Thank you, and have a good time. Take care of yourself, take care of your friends and family, you know, that's important. And yeah, talk to you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye. Ciao.